This session is about mobility. Roger Tory Peterson once said, "Birds have wings. They're free. They can fly where they want, when they want. They have the kind of mobility many people envy." So, where do you fly? Where do you connect? Why do you connect? And exactly how do you make your connections? The answer for most of us is the internet. But where did that come from? The internet began as the ARPANET project from the United States Department of Defense, and its purpose was to facilitate research and communications between the Pentagon, vendors, and research universities involved in military research. The internet at that time consisted only of text, and it's a good thing because we were using modems so slow that we couldn't process graphic images. Eventually, the network was made public and became known as the Internet. Today, the Internet, or World Wide Web, is used all around the world. Now, it's important to understand that when we talk about the Internet, what we mean is the cabling and all of the hardware that connects computers together around the world. We're not talking about the information that is shared. The information we call the World Wide Web, and you can read all about it at Wikipedia. And while you are there, look up Tim Berners-Lee. He's the fellow that invented the World Wide Web. He wanted to connect research articles to one another in such a way that a researcher could easily access all of the articles related to a topic of interest. This resulted in the world's largest information sharing resource. It soon became clear that an international organization would be needed to govern the web, and their sole purpose is to facilitate the sharing of data and compatibility between different computer systems. So Tim Berners-Lee founded the World Wide Web Consortium, known as W3C. W3C consists of all of the major players on the web: Microsoft, Apple, Cisco, Adobe, you name it, they belong, and they help set the standards. One of those standards is called HTML, which stands for the Hypertext Markup Language, which is the foundation of every resource on the World Wide Web. The current standard is HTML5. The purpose of HTML5 is to ensure compatibility between the various types of web-enabled devices. And that's a great thing because it allows you to connect using your mobile phone. I polled participants in our live session, and everyone said they had internet access at home and at work, and the vast majority indicated they also had it on their cell phone. You can learn more about HTML5 at the W3 Schools tutorial. Next time, we'll talk about best practices and learning styles.